Get noticed in this 2006 Lexus IS 350. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes rear-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.